Today, our chef, the talented Miss Kitty, is back in the kitchen showcasing her culinary skills. First, she chops the cauliflower with precision. Next up, it's the carrot's turn, sliced effortlessly. Now, the stove is ready and oil sizzles in the pan as the veggies start cooking. Finally, the cauliflower joins the mix, and the masterpiece is almost complete. And now comes the best part, plating the dish and enjoying every bite. Chef Kitty's expressions say it all. This dish is truly delicious. The cat eats happily. Would you like to try cooking like our amazing chef?